Back with another video, day to day, Chris K. We out here checking out this local museum of these classic cars. Let's go check them out. Got this Chrysler 300. It's crazy how the 300s came over the years from this until how they are now. Now what is her Earl Mode 40, 1942, 1922, I'm sorry. About as close you can get because these chains, they don't let you go over the chains. It's crazy how far cars and came over the years. These two bad cars right here. 19 Charger RT and the Plymouth Superbird 1970. Got the big wing on the back. That's a nice one too. Convertible. Got the Rolls Royce right here. I was looking at this car, some electric car. It's a weird shape. General Motors EV1 electric car. This is like an old-timey space capsule or something. It's a nice one right here. Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe, 1936. I guess this was the limo back in the day right here. Got that Virginia Tech College race car. Charger. What y'all think about that motor? Got the Virginia Tech Team Victoria Tango. Y'all drop in the comments below and let me know which cars y'all like. This is Studebaker's President, 1955. Kind of an odd color. Oh, I skipped this. I forgot all about this. The Cutlass Supreme, 1970. Well, my battery about to die, so I'm gonna have to get back at y'all here in a minute to the next one.